If you're planning to start a business in Indiana, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Indiana, even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether you should file it yourself or use a formation service like LegalZoom to make the entire process hassle-free. We'll cover all of that later in this video, so let's get started. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why should you form an LLC in Indiana? Because for one, you have a limited liability protection. That means if anything goes wrong, your personal finances stay protected, giving you real peace of mind. You have a pass-through taxation. This allows you to avoid double taxation that corporations often face, keeping your tax setup simple and efficient. Of course, Indiana offers a business-friendly environment, making it an attractive place to start and grow your company, and of course, the flexible structure and support. Now, the state makes compliance easier through the InBiz portal, which handles filings, updates, and other business requirements all in one place. Having said all of that, another important step is choosing a name for your Indiana LLC. Now, your LLC name must be unique in Indiana, including limited liability company, LLC, or L.L.C. Now, it should not include restricted words like bank, government, bureau, or insurance unless approved. Now, if you have a desired name and you want to check the name availability, all you have to do is very simple. Go to the Indiana Secretary of State Business Search. Of course, you need to enter your desired LLC name. If no matching results appear, your name is available. But if you're not ready to file your LLC just yet, you can reserve your business name in Indiana for up to 120 days, which is going to be around $20 as the filing fee. Reserving your name is a smart move because it prevents other businesses from using it while you're still planning, making sure your name is available when you're ready to form your LLC. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Every Indiana LLC must have a registered agent because they are the ones that receives the legal and state documents. They must have a physical Indiana address and of course must be available during business hours. Now, if you wanted to be your own registered agent, you can do so provided that you meet all the state legal requirements. But if I were you, you can, of course, appoint a friend or a family member, or better yet, hire a professional registered agent service like LegalZoom. More of that later in this video. Now, the official step that creates your LLC is by filing the Articles of Organization. All you have to do is very simple. You just have to go to the Indiana Secretary of State website. There is going to be a filing fee of $95, which is required at the time of submission. Now, these are some of the information required for filing. The full approved name of your limited liability company, of course, the principal business address where your LLC will be primarily conducted, contact information and physical address of your designated registered agent, a statement confirming the LLC is being formed under Indiana business states. Now, once submitted, approval usually takes 1 to 3 business days online. Indiana does not legally require an operating agreement, but it's strongly recommended because, for one, an operating agreement defines ownership and responsibilities. It helps avoid disputes, protects your LLC status. You can create one yourself or use an online template or service. Having said all of that, next is we need to get an EIN or employer identification number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Once your LLC is formed, you'll need to register for Indiana state taxes and any necessary licenses to stay compliant. Now, this is essential for running a legal business in the state. Depending on your business type, you may need to register for sales tax, employee withholding tax, or corporate income tax by going to the Department of Revenue here in Indiana for various taxes, including sales tax permit, withholding tax accounts, and corporate gross income tax compliance. Now, in terms of the business license, Indiana may also require specific licenses or permits depending on your business activity. Now, you can leverage the InBiz portal if you want, because this is the primary platform used to streamline registrations and manage ongoing state and local filings. And of course, there is going to be the local licenses and permits. You can simply research and secure any necessary city or county level business licenses, permits, or zoning approvals required for a specific business location and industry. Skipping this step can lead to fines or issues down the road, so make sure to register early and stay compliant. You see, traditional filing, while it's cost-effective, it really is time-consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US, including Indiana. The good news is, if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the Premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. You will be forwarded to a new page. All I have to do is enter a business name. If you want to skip it and decide later, you can do so. After that is choosing the state, and that's gonna be Indiana. If you wanted to provide your business email address, you can do so, and your phone number, but if you want to skip it, it's okay. Now, one of the most important part is choosing the industry. In our case, that's gonna be affiliate marketing. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started with LegalZoom. And then from here, you see that there are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're going to click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, you can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, it's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the no thanks button, and you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the one-day expedited processing along with the founder's kit. But if you don't want that, click the no thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And that's it on how to register an LLC in Indiana, which is one of the best options for small business owners thanks to its low filing fee, fast online processing, and business-friendly rules. Of course, you can absolutely file everything yourself if you are comfortable following these steps and staying organized, because the process is actually very straightforward when you know what to do. But if you want a truly hassle-free experience, using LegalZoom is hands down the easiest way to go. They guide you through every step, handle the paperwork, and make you sure your LLC is set up correctly so you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about filings. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.